This video will show you how to exempt taxes on a group reservation. Hotelogix lets you exempt tax on a specific group reservation by selecting an appropriate reason for it. Let us see how. Right-click the group reservation on which you wish to exempt the tax. Select View Details from the context menu that shows up. The selected group reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. The group reservation displays all the rooms in the list given. Choose one or more rooms on which you need to exempt tax by checking the corresponding checkboxes. After selecting the rooms, click Tax Exempt. The Tax Exempt Group panel opens up, displaying different types of taxes. Click Select Reason to view the Reason drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the suitable reason. Note: these reasons can be defined from the admin console. Select the relevant taxes to be exempted. Click OK. Note: the amount will be updated automatically. Click Save. This brings us to the end of the video on how to exempt taxes on a group reservation.